Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. I am pre-filming this video, so if you're new here, they're not always filmed super far in advance, but this one is because I am on vacation currently, and I don't take all my filming stuff with me because that's too much. Too much stuff. Okay, so I have this kit from Glam Planner, and you're probably like, how is it a budget plan with me if you have a kit from Glam Planner? Well, let me tell you. Not only is this a glitch kit, which is way more affordable than her normal kits anyways, this was a random pull kit. So every now and again, she like just has extra stock and she does a random pull. So I bought a couple of different kits, and this is one of the ones that I received, and I got this back in like December, January, February, something like that. But it was for 4th of July, so I just hung on to it and I saved it. So this kit was probably like $10 or less for a full glossy Glam Planner kit, which is awesome. Yeah, very, very cool. So you just have to stay on top of her social media and, you know, keep up with her that way, Facebook, Instagram, and she will let you know. She also has a texting program, which is really cool. So there you go. Okay, so like I said, this is a 4th of July kit. She did revamp it for this year, and this is the older one, but I didn't use this last year, so it's all new to me. So these are the full boxes, and this is Baby You're a Firework. I think it's really, really fun, and there's so much glitter in this kit. Like, look at these check boxes. Yes, yes, yes. Sidebar things, flags, and habit trackers, and half boxes, and all the usual. Deco, weekend banner, flags, icons, asterisks, quarter boxes or appointment labels, clean these, buy these, headers, little things, bottom washi, and washi strips. So it has literally everything, and if you've never used a Glam Planner kit, glitch kit before, they are literally like basically perfect. She has very, very high standards as to what she considers a glitch. And half the time, if you like you can't even find them. Like, it is so rare that I can even find something that's wrong with it. And that's amazing because you get, oh no, Glam Planner amazing quality for a fraction of the price. I have a bubble in here. Okay, got it worked out, thank goodness, because glossy does not come up very easily. Let's see. Checklists. My checklists are gonna kind of be like what I do each day, not necessarily what I have to do this week. I actually don't know a lot of the plans for this week. I will be at my parents' house, but really like not a lot going on. This week will kind of just be chilling, spending time with my parents without other distractions. And it will be great. I will get to read. I will get to sit on the patio outside and drink wine, have dinner on the patio, listen to the birds chirp and the leaves rustling. Like, it's the best thing. My parents live like in the middle of nowhere in Wisconsin, in case you were wondering. And it's just like in the summer, you cannot see their neighbors. In the fall and winter, when the leaves are off the trees, you can kind of see the house next door. Kind of. And nobody else. And they live like on a cul-de-sac. Like, it's not even like they're hiding. Like, there's like 9 houses in this cul-de-sac and you can't see them. It's pretty awesome. There's woods everywhere. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna do Baby You're a Firework up here at the top. These colors are so vibrant. If my lighting's a little weird, I'm trying out some new lights, but it's making it very warm. Right here, it's a very yellow light, so I might have to get a different bulb. But that's what's going on there. Okay, so we have like 3 reds and kind of 4 blues, I would say. So if we just do, oh, and then that one's blue. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. What order should I do this in? Oops, flinging papers all over. So maybe I'll just go with like what I want on each day. So this one looks very 4th of July to me. Oh wait, 3rd of July. Okay, this one also looks very 4th of July to me. So I think I'll stick this one on the 4th, and then we'll save this one. I think I'll do this floral because it's a little less blue, because there's another blue box right next to it. Well, up and over, but you know. And then we'll do maybe the red like sprinkle confetti dot here. It's perfect because it's my brother's birthday on the 3rd. And then on this side, so we have, okay, I'm gonna do the girl Thursday. She's not my favorite, to be honest. She looks a little strange. Okay. And then I think we'll do the floral. Here. This one here. And then this one right here. Okay, so those are the full boxes. I'm gonna do headers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have play buttons. I'm gonna do headers and at least my meal little things, and then I'll be back. Like, I'm just gonna fast forward through this part. Today headers on the full boxes, to-dos above the checklist, little things at the bottom, nothing fancy, no surprises. So I'll be back. So as you can see, I put down my deco. I did my sidebar, vitamin, skincare, workout, spending. I almost put this one for workout, and then I was like, probably shouldn't have an ice cream cone on the workout box. That's probably a little weird. And then I did dinners every day, and I have my TV for every day. I did Thursday differently. I put the play button because there's only 6 TVs. But I think that works just fine, so we're going with it. I have a little bit more deco, which is fine. And then I have some things I need to mark. So, like I said, the 3rd is my brother's birthday. It looks like we don't have a matching box for that one, so I'll just use the red one. And I was gonna say, I thought we had a cake or something. So there's a little cake, and then I'll write in my brother's birthday there. This is Independence Day for America. I don't have a matching one for that either. Weird. Okay. So, I guess the blue? I guess. And I want to use these little USA letters, so I think I'm going to put this at the bottom and then put the USA here. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then I will write in Happy 4th of July here, or Happy Independence Day or something like that. I might stick this car on the bottom of my brother's birthday. He's not like super into cars, but I just thought it would be cute. So there's that. Monday, I don't really know what's going on, and I don't really know what's going on the rest of the week, to be quite honest. So let me stick in my weekend banner. And I think I'll put it on the full boxes because there's, you know, it's all the same pattern kind of sort of. So I'm not going to like lose out on a lot if I put it there, and that will give me room down here for half boxes and stuff. So this is my spread because, like I said, I don't really know what's going on the rest of these days. I'll just be hanging with my parents, but we always get up to stuff, so I don't know, but I think it is super cute. I wouldn't necessarily have purchased this kit, like I didn't purchase it last year, but I was super happy to receive it in my grab bag. If I can link the haul, I will put it up there because I explain a little bit more, I think. But I still have tons of stuff left over, of course, because it's a Glam planner kit and it's basically a full kit. I just don't have like date covers and numbers, but I like putting deco up at the top when I have it, because if you do date covers and deco, sometimes it's a little overwhelming unless the date covers are very like white background. So yeah, I think it turned out adorable, super patriotic, and just really fun. Like, it's not like fireworks, but it still has the vibe of fireworks, which I like. Not that I don't like fireworks, but it's just something a little different, you know? Okay, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye!